So hey guys out there, this is Karan Singh from Ace Tutorials itself, and I'm here to basically share my views about the CS course and how Ace helped me out throughout my course. So basically a big thanks to the faculties who has helped me out throughout my course till date. And talking first things first about the course, and basically the notes provided by Ace were quite simple in language, which helped me grasp the context of the subject in a better way. And moreover, the text provided by Ace basically helped me throughout the course for revision purposes as well. And the faculties, as said, it was quite amazing in lectures, keeping a blend of basically friendly atmosphere and studying atmosphere with not being excess and not being less. So yes, it was a quite amazing experience being in Ace Tutorials, and definitely would recommend you guys as well to be a part of it if thinking about CS profession. So yeah, thank you guys, and a big thanks to all the faculties. A big thanks to Jimit sir, Jinesh sir and Badresh sir who has helped me till date, and the other faculties from Ace who has helped us through thick and thin in our study.